Hi everyone, my name is Oleg and I want to share my story of building a Notion goal habits planner. What I go through, what challenges I face, what problems occur on the way, everything in between, and potentially, hopefully, helping someone to organize their own goals and habits. I had a problem that my goals was in Notion and I didn't track them, but my habits were in Google Sheets with all those formulas, percentages. So it was a problem because I was always switching between apps and it was just not that convenient. So I want to move everything in Notion and try to organize it in the beautiful way, the way that is handy for me. So this is what I want to share. Today it was first day. I had no idea where to start, what to do. Just watched YouTube for 2 hours to get some inspiration to understand how it's going. But yeah, I guess when you start, this is what it is. So let's just keep going. I'll see you in the next one.